English dictation 100 words per minute. Start. Alright, I am not going to say this. I only want to know whether I do not have the right to draw a conclusion from his speech. I want to know this much as to what percentage of the GDP of the countries with which we are striving to compete being spent on defense and what is the percentage of expenditure being made by us on this account. With this meagre expenditure on defense, how do we think of becoming one of the great power of the world? However, the government are trying to take the credit with this false nation. I want to say, and I would also like to urge the finance minister that he should keep in mind two aspects regarding the defense of the country. Either he should improve relation with the neighboring countries, which previous to government have done. We had declared to the world what we do not have any dispute with our neighboring countries. When if there is any dispute, we want to resolve it through dialogues and not by creating terror and war like phrasing through military force. Either this situation be created and pursued, otherwise, if this is not going to be done, create a warlike frenzy in the whole country and in the subcontinent. Under the situation, we shall have to make India an strategic power and a strong nation. We should strive for this, but not such reflection has been made by defense budget. Along with this, I would like to say that the finance minister has tried to give many incentive to non-resident Indians and has said many things about them in this budget. But the non-resident Indian, irrespective of their adopted countries, are quite different from the other non-resident of the world. China is fortunate enough to get Hong Kong, the wealth of which has been developed by the capitalists over last 100 years. India will not be that fortunate. Lot of concessions have been given in this budget. There is a proposal to issue special card to the NRIs, but who will be those fortunate NRIs would be decided by the government. I have not been able to understand as to what is the intention behind this effort have been made to make discrimination in this regard. We want that the government should clarify as to who would be treated as real NRIs who can invest here.